Welcome back, traders. In this video, I'm going to be showing you one of my students that make war ratio 95%. That means if he's risking only 1% of his account, it's going to make like 95% in return. And then I'm going to be showing you right here. You can see this is where he messaged me. I think okay, I think right here. So it said, good morning boss. Can you see good morning boss? I got this trade on gold. The first trade I've been holding since Friday. Then I got to entry today, to which make it a total of war ratio 95. Can you see 1 ratio to 95 for the 3 trade active? You can see I'm really grateful and all those stuff, blah blah. So you can see this first trade right here. Can you see the trade 1 ratio 95? But I'm going to be talking about only this particular trade right here, the first entry. I'm not going to talk about the second and also the third one. I'm only going to talk about the first entry right here, so you guys can know how I was able to enter into this particular trade. So next time you guys see this particular setup, also you can know how to take the same trade. And it was not the only one that saw this particular trade right here. I think another student saw the particular trade. Let me just check. Okay, so yeah, I think this is the setup. The setup is gonna be around there. Okay, this is the setup right here. You can see 5 minutes time frame. You saw the entry of 5 minutes time frame, and then can you see the trade 1 ratio 29? Can you see 1 ratio 29 right here? So I'm going to talk about this particular setup, how they are able to see this particular setup. So next time you watch my free video on YouTube, when you see this particular setup, you can know how to go about it and also how to carry this particular setup. It's very simple. It's very easy. Okay, so this is the trade, and then this on, I think, 4 hour time frame. Yeah, this is a 4 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame entry. So this is very cool. This is very cool. So I'm going to talk about this particular trade right now, and then I'm going to tell you guys how they're able to see this particular setup. So next time, if you also see a setup like this, you know how to enter into the market. So some of my students saw this particular trade. I was even happy. And then let me show you the first guide. Okay, this right here. He has been sending me more charts recently. Can you see the setup right here? So I'm going to talk about how you was able to see this particular setup right now. So next time if you guys see this setup, you know how to go into the market and then how to trade it. So let me just go to my trading right now, and then okay, I think the setup was around here. I think this bullish trade. Let me just use your replay bar. Okay, I think they saw the setup of 5 minutes time frame or 5 minutes time frame. Okay, I've seen the setup right here. Yeah, I've seen the setup. So what I did, just like, okay, let me use replay bar. Okay, so what I did, just like, you waited from higher time frame, probably from 1 hour time frame. We check 1 hour time frame right now. Okay, price was going all the way bearish, so they studied the movement, and then they studied every single place to find what opportunity to buy the market, because price end up taking out a liquidity. Can you see price end up topping out this particular liquidity, and then they're expecting price to react and they start going what on a bullish direction. So they have to analyze the market and they study inside every single range. So you need to understand 2 things before you can trade this particular strategy right here. The first one is just like you understanding your range, and then the second is just like you understanding the power of the first time frame. Of which I'll create a video on the power of the first time frame, and then actually the video is from a premium student, but I just decided to upload it, even though I didn't mention some stuff in the video, because the video is actually from my premium student. I haven't created any video of that before. The last video I upload on the power of the first time frame is the first video that I've ever created, because it's for my premium students. I trade them on it so they can understand the power of the first time frame. And then another thing, you're like, you understanding a range, like you studied every single range in the market. I don't think I've created a video about that before, because it's actually for my previous students. I think that's our third lesson. Once you join my mentorship, that's our third lesson. You're understanding your range and on the stuff. You're understanding the other block to use and then the one not to use. So right now they are studying inside this particular moment right here, and then I think they end up studying this particular bearish trade. Okay, from 1 hour time frame move down to like a lower time frame. So there's a techniques on how to go down to lower time frame. Also, you don't just go down to lower time frame anyhow you want. So but right now I'm going to jump to like a 5 minutes time frame. There's a technique of going down to lower time frame. You don't just go down to lower time frame anyhow you want. So right now they are able to see inside this particular range right here, and then they're able to see this first break. Okay, I think price end up breaking this particular high. Okay, so we have what opposite candle right here. This is a high. I know that a lot of traders are questioning that why am I using on opposite candle as a high. This is actually a high right here. So price, if price end up going above this particular high, then you find out the reorder block. So let me just play out the market to see what happened. Okay, so price end up breaking it right now. Can you see the price end up breaking it? So we have like 4 different ways on how to identify a real order block in the market, and then I end up giving like 2 out for free, and the remaining 2 is actually for my premium student. So the first 2 ways on how to identify a real order block is just like this. If price is going what's on a bullish direction, let's assume that price go on a bullish direction right now, and then price end up breaking like window, then you make use of the order block that is responsible to sell the market. So let me move this right here. Okay, so right here price end up breaking to low. This is the first low, and then this is the second low right here. So you make use of the last bullish candle. The last bullish candle can be anywhere. It can be here, it can be in this particular area. So you make use of the last bullish candle just like to sell the market. So this is the first way on how to identify a real order block in the market. And then the second way on how to identify a real order block in the market, at the end of giving us for free, it's just like if price end up breaking world low, let me just draw it out. For example, price go what's on a bullish direction right here. Can you see? Can you see price end up breaking only one low, and the price push up, then came all the way down below it, and the price end up taking out and the price going to take out this particular high as what a liquidity, and then respect the other block above it to use to come all the way down. So right here price end up breaking only one low right here. Can you see? This is the second way, and then price going to take out this particular high out as a liquidity because this high refused to break this particular high. So normally we'll be expecting price to break this particular high, but if price refused to break it and then come all the way down below its own low, price going to come above it and then take out this particular high and then respect the other block above it as what a real order block. So these are the 2 ways on how to identify a real order block that I'm giving out for free. And then if you want to understand the remaining 2, join my mentorship program right now. I'm going to leave the link in the description so you guys can join and then learn. Once you understand my trading strategy, you see it's very simple. You are going to know when to enter into the market, when to trade, and also the most important thing, like you increase your risk to reward ratio. I see a lot of traders out there, some of them they always take 1:2, 1:3, 1:4. As for me and my student, the smallest ratio you can take is 1:10. Imagine that you receive only 1% of your account and then making 10% in return. I think I did an interview with one of my students. Can share the video out also. He got a profit for the first time. He passed the first phase with only 1 single trade, and then he passed the second phase also with only 1 single trade. Imagine that. And then that is the first time of him going to the profit industry. So you can join my mentorship program just like to understand all these things. It's very simple once you have the full understanding. So let me just delete this second way on how to identify a real order block. Okay, I'm going to be leaving the link to my mentorship in the description so you can check it out and then join. So right here you can see that price end up breaking only this particular high right here. Can you see price end up breaking only one high, and then price going to respect the other block below it, and then this is the other block below it right here. This is a funded block. Price going to take out this particular low right here as what in liquidity. I mean this low right here. Price going to take it out as a liquidity and then tap into this particular order block. The reason because this particular moment end up breaking only one high. Can you see it end up breaking only one high? So price is not going to respect it. Price to respect the other block below it, and then I think this way enter into the market. So it sets is what entry below right here. Can you see? I set entry below right here, and there is stop loss around here. So let me just check the trade again on the charts. Okay, so you can see the trade right here. Can you see? Price end up breaking one high, and the price not going to respect this other block. Price going to go below it. Can you see where enter into the market? Let me show you the other student also. Okay, let me show you the other students. Okay, right here. Okay, for me, I think I'll pass the place. Okay, this is it right here. So 5 minutes time frame. Can you see? No, there's not. I'm not talking about this trade. Okay, this trade right. So can you see this trade right here? I think price end up breaking this particular high. Can you see the high? Draw it out. I think these I don't know the time frame is right here. I think okay on 15 minutes time frame. Is on 15 minutes time frame right now, but the entry was on 5 minutes time frame. Can you see the break right here? So price end up breaking this particular high. Price not going to respect the other block. Price going to go below. That is how you was able to see this particular entry. Let me go back to my chart. Can you see? Price end up breaking only one high, and the price not going to respect this particular order block right here. Price going to respect the order block below it, and then the end of setting was the take profit right here. I think so. And if you check this particular ratio, this 1:14. The other student that got 1:95, it wasn't only one trade. It just like I think it took 3 different trades. But right now I'm just talking about only one single trade right here. So if you also want to be cashing all those particular moments, you have to join my mentorship program. So you are going to like understand market structure very well, and also how to cash all those particular moments to increase what's your risk to your ratio. So this is where the entry is right now, and then let me just play out the market, and then let's see what happened. Okay, let me expand it. All right, so let me play out the market, and then let's see what happened. Okay, you can see that price end up tapping into the entry, and the price target was on a bullish direction. Can you see? Price target was on a bullish direction right here, and then price end up going above this particular high. Can you see this high right here? This is very simple. Price end up going above this particular high, and then this is the bearish candle, and then this particular bearish candle from this particular low upward, not break any side, the far left side. That is the reason why price came all the way below this particular order block to retest this order block right here. So you can see that price end up like getting to what take profit. It is very, very simple. It just requires you understanding my trade strategy very well. Once you understand it, you're going to know where to enter into the market, where to set your stop loss, where to leave, and then one of the most important for you, like where price is not going to respect what your order block anymore again, so you have to leave. So all these things are very simple. So this is how my student was able to like to cash one of his first trade at end of the like war ratio 95. The other one, I'm not going to talk about it. I'm going to leave only this right here. So if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. And then if you're watching this video for the first time, please subscribe and then like this video. And also, if you want to join my mentorship program, I'm going to leave the link in the description, because I'm going to learn a lot of things from my mentorship, like how to understand where price is going to, and then how to understand where to get into the market, how to increase your risk to a ratio. For example, there's some trader out there, they can end up seeing a trade war ratio 2, war ratio 3, or war ratio 4. But me and my student, the smallest ratio you can take right now is just like war ratio 10. So you also have to learn my trade strategy so you can understand how to cash all this particular moment. It's very, very simple, guys. So I'm going to end the video right now. See you in my next video.